Did you know the world's largest LSD operation was hidden in Welsh sheep farms? In 1977, Operation Julie began as a simple drug bust in rural Wales. Police expected small-time dealers, but discovered something far bigger. Innocent-looking farmhouses were producing 90% of Britain's LSD supply. Undercover officers spent 3 dangerous years infiltrating hippie communities. They found sophisticated laboratories hidden in remote countryside locations. The gang produced millions of doses worth £100 million. Paranoid security measures included violence against suspected informants. The network stretched from California chemists to European distributors. Perfect cover as organic farmers fooled everyone for years. Simultaneous raids across 6 counties seized enough LSD for 6.5 million trips. 120 arrests and sentences totaling 130 years followed. Britain's LSD trade collapsed overnight.